Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. Now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 8th of October 2020 and currently time is 9:36 AM. Now coming on to our watch list traders. So it is taking some time to open. But traders, okay, so it is there. So we are having Cipla, HDFC Bank, ICI Bank, Tata Motors and Tata Steel. Okay traders, and if I was seeing chart of ICI Bank and here I am seeing an opportunity, but I want to buy at this price somewhere here. Okay traders, so I am waiting for it to come close to near our price and then I will place the order with market price and I will buy 30 quantities. Okay traders, so now I am waiting for it, so let it come towards our price at which we want and then we will place our order. And traders, as you also know that today is Thursday, so we will also be practicing option selling strategy which we practice each at every Thursday. So after taking this trade I will also be taking a trade for option selling. Okay traders, so when I will get any trade in equity I will update you. Okay traders, now I am pausing the video. So traders, as you can see here, the price is coming downward, so I am placing order with market price of 30 quantities. Okay, so we have sent our order, now waiting for it to get placed. It is taking some time, but no problem traders, I know that it has got executed at somewhat price here. So now I am pausing the, okay, it has now placed. You can see the notification here and now it is taking some time. Okay, it has also executed. Okay traders, so here it is. So let's drag this tool to make it to calculate our risk reward. Okay, so traders, our risk reward ratio is 1.3 and now let's place our target and our stop loss. Okay traders, so let's do it. Okay, so our profit at which we want to book is 390.60. so here we will enter 390.60 and our stop loss is 384.50. so here we will enter our stop loss 384.50. Okay traders, so here now we are modifying it. Traders, as you can see here, the price is coming downside. I was knowing that it can come this at this price also, but as I was thinking that I may get lose this trade, so I entered here. But okay, our risk reward is also good, so we have no problem about it. So we are in the trade and our first trade is taken, and also since it is Thursday we will be entering into another trade, so I will update you after some time. Okay traders, so now I am pausing the video again. So traders, let me show you our position. That here ICI Bank is going good towards our target and we are in the trade. Now we are going to sell options in Bank Nifty. Okay traders, so as you can see here I have drawn this range by using previous data, and according to me Bank Nifty cannot cross this support and resistance, both drawn by me. Okay trader, so what we will do here, we will sell call of 23,700 and here we will sell put of 22,700. Okay traders, So coming on to my Samco account, where we will see the points at which it is trading currently. Okay trader, so here you can see 23,700 call is currently trading with 8.45. so we will place our order with 8.50 limit. Okay, so here we are placing order of 8.50 and our target will be 1 rupee, and the stop loss, here we have to take a big stop loss, so we will place stop loss of 30 points, which is 30 LTP. Okay traders, so that's it. So we are placing order at time 9:54 a.m. Okay, so 9:54 a.m. Okay trader, so when I press enter, our trade will be initiated. So okay, we have entered 8.5 limit order. Here we will see that it is trading with 8.50, so our order has been placed of 23,700 call. Okay traders, now coming on to 22,700 and put. So it is currently trading with 15.15, so we will place order with 5.20. Okay traders, or what you say, we can place order. Let us first see the chart, that if it is coming downside, so we can place limit order with higher price. So okay traders, no worries at all, let us place order. It is currently trading with 5 at 4.95. we will place our order with 5.10. so we are entering limit order with 5.10 with a target of 0.55 paise, and here our stop loss will be 25, and now the time at which we are entering is 9:55 a.m. Okay reader, so we have placed our limit order with 5.1. let's see, it is currently trading with 4.80. we will wait for its execution, that is 5.10 rupees. So it is taking some time, so we will wait. Okay, since as you can see the bank nifty is going upside, that's why it is not taking our order, so we will wait. It is now 4.85 again, and our order limit order is 5.10. okay, it is 5. it will take some time and our order will be executed. Okay, so 5.5, 5.05 and 5.10. okay traders, 5.15. so our order has been executed here also. So this is our traders, as you know that we are just practicing paper trade, so this is it, and we are in the trade. And now what we have to do is that we will watch at 1:30 p.m. that if our target has been hit or not. Okay traders, and let us see once again our trade in ICI Bank. So as you can see here, it is now trying to spend time in our range, but okay, our target and stop loss is already decided, so we are in the trade. So I will update you after some time about our options trade and this in ICI Bank. So now I am pausing the video. So traders, here in our ICI Bank trade, you can see here that the price is going good towards our target, but since it is showing that a sideways momentum, so here what I am doing is that I will trace my stop loss to our cost price. Okay traders, so I'm doing it. Okay traders, so let's modify it. it has been not modified. It seems that it's taking time, but okay. So let's try it again. Okay, so it was modified. Okay traders, so our stop loss has been modified and our trade will be only positive, that is we will be only in profit, no loss. So we are in the trade where we will not book any loss, either we will book any profit which is our target, or we will exit the trade with zero loss. Okay traders, so our stop loss has been also trailed. Now let us see our options trade. Okay traders, so let's open our Semco account. Okay, so here it is. You can see here the 23,700 call has been moved from 8 rupees to 6.70, and 22,700 put has been moved from 5 rupees to 3. So here also we are in the profit. Let us see once again the ICICI Bank chart. Okay, so it is going good. So now traders, I am pausing the video again, and when I will make any changes or it will hit our target stop loss, I'll update you. So traders, this is our ICICI Bank trade, and here you can see the market is behaving now sideways. So I am again trailing my stop loss till here, which is the next support zone. Okay traders, so to prevent our profit from one side movement, I am just trailing my stop loss so that we can book at least half of the profit. Okay traders, so here I am trailing my stop loss till here. Okay traders, so let's modify it. Yes, so it's now modified. It will take some time to get placed. Okay, now it is been modified. So traders, now I'm again pausing the video. I will update you later. So traders, welcome back. It's now 2:56 p.m. you can see here, and this was our ICE trade in ICICI Bank, and as you can see here, we trailed our stop loss to here, and our stop loss was got triggered. Okay, at somewhat price here. Okay traders, so let's calculate our profit in ICICI Bank. So our target points were 0.90 of our stop loss. So let me open the calculator. Okay, so 0.90 points which we got for 30 quantities. So here is profit of 27. So you can see here traders, our trailing stop loss worked, because as you can see here, after some time it came downward, and you can see here, if we were not trailing our stop loss, we were not getting even this profit also. So my logic is that at least we should take any profit from the market. Okay traders, so this was our trade for in equity. Now let us come on our trade for Bank Nifty option selling. So here you can see traders, 23,700 call is trading with 0.50, and 22,700 put is at 0.50. So you can see that our target has been hit. So let us come on to our Excel sheet which we prepared for our paper trading practice. So you can see here, as our target has been hit, so our profit in call selling is 187.5, and in put our profit is 113.75 paisa. When adding this, our total profit in option selling is 301.25. So okay traders, this was our today's trade. Hope you learned something from this video and enjoyed it. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.